are my woman. You are my bride to be. You have no fucking right to question my decisions.
You're crazy! You think you bought a car for me so you can just walk on me like a doormat? Leave my love life alone! Stay away from me, stupid.
I'm lying in bed with this girl. She gets a phone call from somebody. She says it's you. She's come to meet you. I follow her to the bar and she's with this bastard who works for me. Well, for information, madam, next week is the wedding and she better be ready by then. Else, all hell will fucking break loose.
The container that keeps the asset suffers.
Stop! You shouldn't be keeping...
Stop! For how long are you going to keep this hatred in you? It's not going to help. Let go and live a life worth living.
God, you have no idea who Barbie is to me. You don't know what he's done for me. You don't know the kind of love he's shown me. I love him. I'm not prepared to let him go. I wouldn't do it.
I suspect this substance to be cocaine. Arrest him.
For fire and those who evade punishment do not forbid crying. And someone does you read with my ancestors. The river down not there where I was raised.
There is a curse on the land, and we need a great remedy, but not only for the royal family. Try to selfishly protect your throne, only to leave the people to die on their own. You might end up planting the devil's seed.
If a man decides to know too much, the grave becomes his home.
There is a curse on the land, and we need a great remedy, but not only for the royal family. Try to selfishly protect your throne, only to leave the people to die on their own. You might end up planting the devil's seed. The devil's seed could be a dangerous seed to plant. The devil's seed.
You are a better food than me because you are a little boy. God born me, created me before you created me.
When a man becomes full of himself, oh, the devil sees.
This world is a very big place, but very small for the evil one. Be careful with your life.
See my face. On the class Okodia, eagle, Unmo Okodia. You know Okodia. No, nonsense.
Sin devours the one who commits it. The counsel is make a wide drive.
I've been sent by the great seed, and you're asking me to sit down. Sit down for what?
There is a curse on the land, and we need a great remedy, but not only for the royal family. Protect your throne, only to leave the people to die on their own. You might end up planting the devil's seed. The devil's seed could be
of Roses, parts 1, 2, and 3.
Go every length to have him because it's for my love I fight for. It's for my heart that I seek.
Be told, I'm already in love with your sister.
And it would be disastrous if you should break that promise. I will never let you go.
War of Roses, parts 1, 2, and 3.
He is the man I've been dying for all my life. No wonder your heart is full of lies and deceit.
He never proposed to you, did he? And besides, he never told me he was going out with you.
War of Roses, parts 1, 2, and 3.
You are too no Satan. Boy, I'm misfitting my life.
You are a lion in disguise.
Stop it!
Ma'am, I've done nothing wrong. Jennifer never told me she loved me.
You asked her. Took away joy. Today, I'm revenge.
War of Roses, parts 1, 2, and 3. Women War of Roses, 1, 2, and 3. Our movie shop will be a phone call. Performance production, Railways to Massey.
After the Odikro's declaration, did you take the matter to court?
Initially, I didn't want to because of the respect I have for them. But later on, I did.
Why?
The judge ruled in his favor, which is the truth. At the end of the day, I ordered the goods in both our companies' names. So, the judge was just being fair using the statistics available. Richard, man, Richard.
Please calm down. God is on your side, okay? And He's not going to leave you.
What is really happening to me? What's going on in my life? My mother is nowhere to be found. Her phone and Linda's phone cannot be reached. No. I think sometimes it's better to take revenge than to leave it for God to do. Because it might even take longer or might never even come at all. And then you will look like a fool who cannot fight his own battle. So this bastard has dubiously taken away half of my wealth, my hard-earned money. Now I am bankrupt. I don't even have money to pay back the loans I collected from the bank. My shop is empty. I can't believe this. I have to start life all over again. At least the pastor should have told me this. Give it to God. Give it to God, he says. But no, not this time. I will fight my own battle. I will kill Richard. If not for anything at all, at least my heart will be at rest. But how is it possible? My mother. I think I should find her. I should go and look for my mother first. And Linda, I betrayed your trust. I have to do something. I have to do something.
Honey, what is it? What is wrong with you? And who is this junior that has been disturbing you each and every night you sleep? Huh?
Honey, don't worry. It's just a dream.
Just a dream?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I'm looking for Linda. Is she in?
Linda,
Oh, Linda, my fiance. We're supposed to get married. I hear she's living here with my mother. Can I see them? Linda.
Oh, one day I was free had the rad. I check around.
How long ago? Where did they say they were going? Like, did they tell you their new address, telephone number, anything?
There's all Kokrawan.
Oh, thank you, sir.
One and you're free. Aya. Obi ada again no we try to open abu bit fia. What your mind? Obi ada again no.
Efiwe. Me ba no.
Obra.
What wa that kakra ho? Me ba shie ni me ba no. Me bo ho fi me. Oh. Hey. We don't know me. What you ma Why do you not say? Why do you not have? No, it's true. I went there myself. I looked at it and I was like, anyway, I'll come back.
Look, you will never stop your joking.
It's not a joke. It's true, honey. I didn't like the idea at first, but when I got there, I was impressed. Listen, I told them that you were coming there to buy it for me.
Sure, no problem, man. Whatever you need. I love you so much. That is sweet, baby. I've never seen you.
Oh, Richard!
Mommy.
No one is human. Walk off your back and get what? Me, I'm so woman.
Oh, man. Me fat boy phone be and try get number. Oh, you big gate man. That's all.
Oh, mommy,
oh, mommy. Wait, try. Sweet mother. Oh. This is a pan of similar. Eh? Mommy, it's a long time ago. We are in a modern era. Okay? This was what we put for you.
You might assume here. Assume here. Now, the Betrayal said you won't. Anyway, you see.
But you know, I'm not going to be a cost of Kamaka. Yakoya said, Monsieur, I decided to say the 1 year pay and G and Nika. You have to go for the prayer.
I'm not here to do what's up, what do? Enough of this! Richard, talk to your mom. I cannot sit here and watch your mom insult me in my own house. Who did you Miss Tantain? It's okay. Father who feels okay me! Talk to your mom, here.
Baby, just sit down. It's okay.
Talk to your mom, Richard. Talk to your mom.
Mommy, actually, a simple and a be of us what can. I beg you, baby, I didn't know. What they say, only say, dear, won't see me try her.
Wait, I can't even say I do it. Open me.
Me pam,
Richard. So one kayan swan. Obekayas. So one kayan swan. Obekayas. Milinyanko poja wati. Milinyamija.
Mommy,
from sick of fino. What's not from sick of fino. Richard, that's okay. Honey, it's okay.
Just old-fashioned, you know.
Just forget about your mom and enjoy your life. I'm still by your side.
Sorry.
I love you so much. I'll always be with you.
Oh. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, hello. Are you looking for someone?
Yeah, I'm looking for one Mr. Junior, probably the owner of this house.
Is there a problem?
Not really. Actually, my bank sent me to him.
I'm Junior.
Oh, that's good. My bank sent me to come and give this letter to you.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
all over the place. Please listen to me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything I did. I've regretted my actions. It was the work of the devil.
What do you want?
I want you to forgive me, please, Linda. I'm sorry. Oh, Linda, just don't walk away. Linda, don't walk away. I get you. Please try to understand me. Try to understand.
Please, if you don't have anything to say, I want to leave.
Linda, please. Please try to understand me. I'm begging you. Try to understand me. Everything that happened was Richard's fault. And we all know it's come to light that it was his fault. He called me into doing those things. Richard is the devil, not me.
Tell that to the woman.
Mom, so you see, nothing was of my own. You know I'm not capable of doing those things. It was like I was unconscious somehow. It just wasn't of me. So please.
Julia, my son. We've listened to you carefully. And I know deep in my heart that if not for a strange reason, there'll be no way you could do this to me. In a way, it is good God allowed all these things to happen. I know you've learned a lesson out of it.
Yes, I have. I've learned a lot of lessons.
Believe you me, you are still my son. I wholeheartedly forgive you.
Thank you very much, Mom. It's like a river flowing in me right now. I used to feel so thirsty. There's so much to drink right now. Like, I'm so happy. Both of you are back in my life. That I can get the kind of inspiration I used to get from you. And I can get the kind of love that Linda used to show me. I'm so glad things are back to normal. And I really, really appreciate giving me the second chance.
Really hurts, but it really hurts, but then I have to let it go.
Linda, can you forgive me? I don't even know what to think. I don't know what to do anymore. The pressure is so much on me right now. I have barely 2 months to pay for the house. Keep the loan back. Otherwise, they're going to take the house away from me. 2 months, Mom.
You see, in this life, if you work with someone in truth and honesty, and then you find yourself in need again and go to that person, he will surely help you.
What are you trying to say?
All that I'm trying to put across is, go back to Mr. Osborne. This man helped you. This man helped you some time ago. Go back to him. Tell him whatever that has happened. Tell him whatever that has happened. I believe for strong that he will help you.
Oh, Osborne! Why didn't I think about it? You are a genius. How could I forget? After all this special, you forgot Mr. Osborne was there. Why didn't I think about it?
Oh, now I'm seeing. Now I'm coming back to my senses. I mean, you around, I'm coming back to my senses. I swear. I'm seeing him first thing tomorrow morning.
I strongly believe he can help you.
Yeah! That's what I should have done.
Why didn't I think about it? You were thinking too much, that's why. I'm thinking of irrelevant things. That's why you totally forgot. So try. And go to him first in the morning.
I will. And
So, is Linda not coming back as she promised?
No, she's not coming. I'm rather going there. I mean, husband has been there all this while. Oh goodness. Think about it. Amazes me. Swear.
Never occurred to you.
No! I'm coming to my senses now. I mean, you're around. I am coming to my senses. I want to see him.
Alright.
I'm still.
That's how it is at times. Oh God. Thank you for bringing my son back to me. The devil tried. Oh yes, he tried to take him away. But you have fought for me. Thank you, Jesus. Thy majesty, how bright, oh, how beautiful, thy mercy seats in depths of burning light. Oh my God, how wonderful thou art. How majesty.
Ma, where's Linda?
Linda is not back yet.
Oh, ma, I have good news. The Lord is good. His promises live us forever. You'll be the first person to hear this.
What's happening?
God is great.
I know my God is great.
His promises live us forever.
Jesus, I think.
Mom, you won't believe it.
What is that?
I went to see Osborne. I'm going to quote him. I'm quoting him. Because of the faithfulness you showed me, I will help you. Unquote. It was as simple as ABC. I just narrated my problems to him, and he said that.
Just that.
See? That's it.
You see? You didn't want to try. I told you, try.
I forgot. And he said something else. He said he will sponsor my next trip to Singapore. He'll pay for the trip and give me a loan to place my own order, and I pay back in installment with no interest. No interest.
My God, how wonderful thou art! Thy majesty, how bright, oh God, how beautiful! Thy mercy seats in depths. Oh, what's your hand?
This is the remix. Here we go now. Here we go now. Let's go now. Let's go now. Here we go now. Here we go now. Let's go now.
I know.
You don't hurt yourself.
Alright, baby.
What?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
It's okay, honey. There we go.
Yeah, baby.
Are you okay?
Oh, God, I'm fine, yeah.
Did you enjoy the outing?
Yeah, it was wonderful. But you, baby. Yeah.
There we go.
Baby, come.
Let me take off your clothes. It's hot in here. What made you get dressed like this? That's my man.
Sit here. Sit here, okay? Bye. Hear it.
Just wait.
Whoa!
Honey, wait.
What?
Are you sure you really love me? But if only you love me, prove it to me. I just want you to sign this paper.
Sign? What?
Only this one paper here for me. If you love me, just prove it.
What paper?
This one.
Alright, give the pen to me. Are you looking for an employment? I can employ
You'll read
you.
it tomorrow morning when you wake up. It will be a just sign here, and everything will be just
Alright.
here.
Baby, you know that I love you.
I know you love me so much, sweetie, but please just sign these papers for me. I love you too.
I've never met a lady like you. You always make my damn day.
Thank you very much. I love you so much. Sign the paper.
Alright.
Just here. Wait.
You did to me some time ago.
What's that?
When you surprised me with
what? Honey.
Yeah.
Sign this paper. It's late so that we go to bed.
Alright.
Tomorrow.
So where? Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
There we go. That's my love.
So now you
I love
cool?
you so much.
Now I'm ready for this shit.
Really?
Okay? Now come on, man.
Let's wait.
I'm waiting for you. I can just wait.
Rest. Tonight will be our night.
Whoa.
You can relax. Calm down. Gently for me. Sure you're fine. That's my man.
gosh, when did you get back? Ah, I've missed you so much. Yeah? So what did you get for me? Oh gosh, darling, I miss you so much. Right, so I'm going to come to your house right now, okay? You're not at home, where are you? Okay, I'll be at the office, let's say 15-10 minutes. Is that okay? Okay, I love you so much. Bye. Oh gosh.
I'm looking for your boss.
That's
Yeah, please. Have a seat. Yeah. Anama, where have you been? I've been looking all over for you. Anyway, who are these people?
I suppose you're Mr. Richard.
Yes, of course I am.
Mr. Richard, why are you so ungrateful?
Why are you telling me that? Why?
I mean, why have you sold out your properties to this gentleman and his fiancée here? And you are refusing to get out after the grace period they've given you have expired.
No, just wait a minute. Nanama, what is going on here? What is going on? What is going on here?
why? Are you surprised? As if you don't know that Jimmy here is my fiancé. In fact, Richard, I want you out of my house now.
Mr. Richard, this document here shows clearly that you sold out your property to this gentleman and his fiancée.
I never knew that you are such ungrateful being who want to ruin my life. Now listen, all of you, be out of my house.
Out.
Be out of my house!
You're not going anywhere. Please, officer, do your job. This is my house.
Listen, if you have anything to do with me, go to the court. Enough of this! You are here for a purpose. Officer, do your job.
Corporal,
arrest me in my own house? Arrest you? In my own house? Yeah. Look, just wait for me for 2 minutes and you see what I do.
There's nothing in that Richard. Now that the deal is done, are you happy now?
I am more than happy, my dear. I will not be happy to swim in the pool of wealth without toiling.
So, sweetie, what is the next step?
Mama, we don't have to underestimate that Richard guy. I suggest we sell all the properties.
Sell the properties?
Yes. And get into the United States of America and enjoy our life.
United States of America. I think you are right. America has always been my dream land. America, here we come. So, to our new success, darling. I love you so much, Jimmy.
But for now, we have to be lodging in hotels and stop moving about.
In a hotel?
Yes.
Do you think it's a good idea?
Yes. Before you sell all the properties, you have to be in hotels. But the Richard guy can be something, you know. He's a dangerous guy. And you have to be very, very careful.
You're right, honey. You have to do that.
Women, they are very wicked. they can turn your life around and make you miserable. Nanama has made me so miserable. And I lost everything me within a twinkle of an eye. I don't have money to fight back. This is wickedness. This inhumanity. At least they should have allowed me to pick my clothes. No car, no money, no place to lay my head. I'm empty. For how long am I going to live with this one shirt and nigger? Me, Richard. Oh, Richard. No. I will storm that house. Yes, I will storm that house. Mamuni! 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 Nanama! Nanama! My house for sale? My house for sale? House for sale? House for sale? I'll get that for you. If I get her, that's why I'm cool. Kill that lady, I'll kill that lady, I'll kill her. I'll just kill her. So what's Richard going to do? What exactly am I supposed to do? Fight back? With which resources? When all my properties have been labeled for sale. Nanama, cursed is the day I met you, and you will not succeed in life with all this money. Wait. Maybe I should join robbery and search for Nanama and her boyfriend. Oh, life. Why have you treated me like this and paid me back with my coin? roaming about homeless. Oh God, 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 please forgive me. God, help me. Maybe I should go to Junior and play with him. I think that's the best thing to do. Yes, I've got to go there. I have to tell him I'm sorry. I've got to tell him I can't continue like this. Yes, of God. So,
Good afternoon, Mr. Richard. You are welcome.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Is your boss in?
Yes, he's in there.
Yeah, come in, come in.
Junior.
Richard, what do you want in my office? What do you want in my office? Do you know this is my office?
I know, Junior.
So what do you want here?
Junior, please just have a heart and listen to me, okay?
Well, I'm trying to have the heart for you, but I can't. I'm trying to calm down. I don't understand what you're doing here now.
Junior, I beg you in the name of God, please just listen to me, alright?
What do you have? Hurry, say it. Go on, quickly. Hurry up.
Junior, I know I've committed a lot of sins against you and your family. And I did that out of envy and greed. And I have now realized that whatever a man soweth, so shall he reap. Junior, someone too, not even someone, a lady I loved so much, I trusted so much, also duped me of everything that I had.
How is that my business? How does it concern me? She duped you, so what?
Junior,
is that not the same thing you did to me? Whatever you sow, you reap. Is it my concern?
Junior, just see, I have regretted everything I did to you. And I just want you to forgive me. And save me out of my present misfortunes. Please just forgive me. That's what I just want. I promise you it will never happen again.
You want me to forgive you?
Yes.
You want me, Junior? Look back. Do you know all that you did against me? You almost ruined my life to the bottom.
Junior, it's the work of the devil, okay? Look, as I'm talking now, since morning I've not even tasted any food. Okay? So...
Richard, are you straight? I don't think you correct, honestly. Because you must not be thinking straight to here now.
Junior, please. Just help me, okay? And forgive me. I beg you in the name of God.
I'm a good man to throw you out.
You are right, you have that right, okay? But please.
It's okay, please. I will not throw you out. Alright? Alright. I won't do that. I won't do it. Because we're still cousins. And I think I have a very, very good heart. So, I will forgive you.
Oh, Junior, thank you very much. God bless you. It will never happen again, I promise you. Okay? I promise you. Alright? Thank you very much.
Under one condition.
Junior, what condition? Just tell me right now. And I will do it right away, okay? Just tell me.
Cast your mind back to what you did to me in the village. You made the whole town know that I wronged you. I took your stuff in front of Vicker and the other elders. You disgraced me. For me, that's the only thing that really got to me. The riches and wealth, I can always get it back. But reputation is important to me. And you destroyed that. So if you will go back to the village with me and in my presence, tell Odiku and all his elders that I did nothing against you. Rather, you were the one who stole half of my goods, who tried to turn my mother against me or turn me against my mother and my fiancé. Then I'll forgive you.
Don't even talk too much, okay? Please, just let's go there right away. I'm ready to do anything you ask me, okay?
We will go on my terms, not your terms.
Right. No, don't worry. Charlie, I don't take money to my himself. I am having you at June. My no pray. I'm best. The government said the summer make a fan of women now. And you know, crack. Some can't say me in a year to my boom. I'm a boy. Some panacho man. Only be am there no. Of one chemi. What's the matter?
Yeah, but that's it. We get me come on what? Well, no, you know.
What's happening? That's right. Nana, what I'm going to say, you read the back also. And yet, I'm in more table. Or your Christo, Junior. It's only go find the now. No crap. Yeah, and Junior. How person warren I will need to see him. You might be saying that to them. Hey! Go, Richard. Nana. But who said, you are saying, you'll be here, and what will be trying to Virginia someone your money now, you fear the cast, the big beer. Oh, baby, I'm in a try. I was watching some your money now.
1 year, why was it in your name? You know, I'm not here, and now I'm on Bob on you go for baby, a friend or you to man, which messy, and not the same. Linda, Linda.
Oh, young warren, I feel over warren. I'm a ton of
Nana, I said, because I'm a trouser of it.
I will better to the monarch. I will get your
Monaco.
My brother, I am a son. Would be our one in the Tinana. Travel. And what can you say? I'm quite junior at Chopman. Only be am there. Of a champion. Or some mommy view. No, that's a sin here. Oh, when you come in, sir, come on, no. Yes, I'm a brother. I am a son. Who says I'm more with you?
We are that's the idea. I have so much time when you move.
And I wouldn't patch it.
Papa Otiwe. Only me mammy. Almost come. Casayo. Casayo. Yeti. Minute is body. That's all. Just a man in Casayo. And then make come here. Come. Yakomo. Yakomo. Casa. Yakomo. Jana man in Casa. Come to. No, come on, not. Hey. Why? Casa. Oh, no, matter. Some question for them. Yeah, enemy trip. Richard. Yes, what she pa? I dear mayor won't be. What she a dear mayor? Who became trusted to Munipa. No, men are men now again. Papa, Richard, can you prepare your what she a pa? Papa, what me am afraid. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. Mufa, Junior, no mamma, child. So many bonny betcher me. You must have boy and Miss Common. No, my family to my pa. No, it's not today. That's the way I send you to now, you was in a pass salt away. What's your car won't be? And then many in our course. Yeah, it is him say. You know, my member true cast in the name now, beauty and in our no second son. Never when I did a bit come. That was something in our house, Yamia. Yeah. I know what you want to Rama. I have one. I may assume Sabranti. Why are there Manaya? Mammy won't kill me. But you know, I answer you, and I do as a bush you. Trassi? Who prepare Janity now, who best walk on you, so Trassi. But you are just so good, but I answer you, Miss Ramon, never go on my baby. Or I answer you, when you, Miss Ramona. So, I just say, when you need papa, when you need papa, and they won't promise. What Papa can check, Nana, and maybe a trim, ni pay, and she may burn so. And I make come what you could to crow, and at the palm me free. When you're there, now I have to grow the buy. And pay you for Nana Kunya, my transfer, I'm taking you. As some way see bitter, and some way bitter. That's me. Hey? And you was why do you son that? And you was here. Was for so. What 50? I bet you are yes, and we have a kind of once. I am finished. Sure. That's what I make can say. Yes, I see, yes, I get yes, see. Now, Richard will be. Let me cast away, Papa. Let me cast away, Mucho. I said, woman to the lips. I don't find Junior children. What if my champion? Don't tell mommy, you listen. Problems. Me here for Junior. I regretted all that I did to you.
I'm really sorry, okay? Just forgive me, alright? I'm really sorry. Mommy, I choke. Mommy, why? I'm born in jail. I am a choke. Come on. Yes. You need me paying for you. I say about you. I said you. Young chance man is soon. I'd rather say that we all acted in ignorance. Forgive us. Mommy. Free her. You need a paying for. Trust me. The mouth. They are part house. Never yam. Go free as well. Why your one map could never make who a difficult monsieur? No one banner for us as a wizard. You are 7 beside Junior.
Hey!